Once we go through all the selection process for pieces and as well as the colorway, and we decide to move forward, place orders, is so much fun when we just start getting the pieces together. For this project, we're actually changing lighting throughout the entire space. So now when the day comes, you need to regroup, you need to meet with the crew on the job site and go over every single fixture, every single space, just to make sure that everything goes per design. I just love being involved in every step of the way, and when the day of the installations come, of course this is not any different. So I like to be there bright and early, meeting with everybody, with the client and our crew, just to make sure that everybody is on the same page and we go over everything together, and it's just a fun day at the job site.